Hey guys, in here, and today I'm going to show you how to model this structure. Okay, so this is the result. I'm going to let me just delete, and so this is one of them. So we will be able to change the height and width, and also you can hide the panels, and you can. Okay, so. And also, you will be able to adjust the roof pitch, and also the dimension of all these beams and the profile of these beams. Okay, so let's start. So first, create a new family. So generic model, adaptive, and this will be the main structure, so main shape of that structure. So first, place one point, make it adaptive, place another point, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick the horizontal work plane and place it on this point, and then drag this up, so offset. This will be the height. Create a parameter h instance, okay and okay. Okay, so now we need to place some more points, and point draw work plane, set work plane. So pick the vertical work plane, so and place it here. So now drag this to this way. So okay, so this offset, let's call it this will be half W. So let's call it WH. Okay, so instance, okay and okay, and then create another one, set, and place it here again. This time drag it that way, so this will be negative. I'll call it WHN instance, okay and okay. So go back to family types, equals negative WH, apply, okay. So now place point, draw on work plane, set work plane, and pick this work plane and place it here, okay, and place another one, okay. So now select this point, drag it this way, and another one, drag it this way. So for this one will be half width, so link this to half width, and this one I'll link it to with half width negative. And same, let's do another one, so another two, sorry, and pick this work plane, place it here, okay, place another one here, okay, and select it, drag it that way, and select this and drag it this way. So this one I'll link it to half width negative, and this one I'll link it to half width. So now if I want to end spline, reference line, and 1, 2 spline, and 1, 2 spline, reference line, 2 spline, reference line, and 1, 2 spline, reference line. So now this is the shape of the top. Okay, and we're going to click on this family type. So because currently we don't have the width, so I'll just create a width instance, and okay, and I'll just on the WH I'll just type in width divided by 2. Okay, so sorry, I'll just change this width to maybe 5 meter. So okay, so now then I'm going to place some more points here. So for example, this one I'll draw on face, and place in the middle. So another one here. So now we just need to, oh hang on, we need one point down below this point, because we will need a pitch for all the panels. Okay, so point, draw on work plane, set work plane, and pick the horizontal work plane and place it on this point. And okay, and select this point and go down. So this one we will need to create a offset. I'll call it offset negative OFN. Not just OFN, yeah, just OFN, and instance OK and OK. So now let me just do a quick screenshot and explain to you. So connect this one, and this one. So this angle will be the roof pitch. Let me call it A, and this angle will be 90 degree, and this will be the offset, so this will be W divided by 2, which is same W half WH. Okay, so A tangent A equals OF divided by WH. Okay, so which means which means offset. Yeah, so we need to calculate the offset. Okay, so because we are going to type in an angle, and then we just need to Revit to work out what the offset is. So offset equals tangent A times WH. Tangent A times WH. So go here. So first go to family types. First we need to create an angle parameter. So let's call it A. Instance OK, and then I'll just type in 5 degrees for now. So offset, and which is n, just remember that's n. So I'll just type in negative. So tangent A times WH. Okay, so apply. Okay, so now I'll just select these 2 points, spline, reference line. Okay, and I'll just quickly show you the angle. So set, pick a horizontal work plane of that line, DI dimension, angular, pick this line, pick this. It won't let me to, so that's fine. I'll just do this one. So spline, reference line, and if I DI, pick the set work plane first, and pick the vertical work plane of this reference line, DI, angular, this. So you can see that's 5 degrees. Okay, 5 degree. Yep, 5 degree. So if you change this 4 degree to maybe 10, so you will see it will change the offset, and then this angle will be 10 degree. Okay, so I'll delete this angle and tab select this one because we don't need this one. I'll just dissolve it. Okay, so now we just need to create all the reference lines. So spline, reference line, 1, 2, 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 spline, reference line. So the last one, 1, 2 points, spline. Oh, did I click? Oh, sorry, click too fast. So now we have all these reference lines, which we can create panels on them. So okay, so the next step, so I'll just do another screenshot. We're going to create all these columns and frames. So it's going to be something like this. Go up here and go there, and then it will be a profile like this, something like this. Okay, so that's one of them. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do it. So we will need to create a new family. It's a generic model adaptive as well. So open and go floor plan. I'm just going to place one. Okay, and go to front and then select this point, copy this up, and then maybe copy it this way. Okay, so go to 3D view. Okay, so I'll select these 3 points, make adaptive. So that'll be 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Now select 1, 2, and 3, spline, reference line, point 1, 2, spline, reference line. Okay, so now this will be the path of that the column and the beam, and we're going to need a profile of that. Okay, so okay, let's create a new family, and it will be generic model adaptive as well. And for this new family, so place one point here and then make it adaptive, and then go let's go reference rectangle, draw a work plan, set work plan, and pick the horizontal work plan, and I'm going to draw a shape maybe like this. Okay, so now select this shape, and I'm going to move it. I can't pick the middle point. SM. No, that's fine. Let's go to floor plan. Okay, and select this profile and move it down so it will be centered. Okay, so now also I'm going to try to select one of the reference lines. So see this, create this dimension. Okay, and I'll see if I can equal from this point. So edit witness line and pick this point. Okay, equal, good. So, and also tab select one of this reference line. Looks like I can't, there's no little this thing here, but that's fine. I'll just do a dimension. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, so let's say this one. Let's create a parameter. So this will be the depth of the column. I'll call it C D. Okay, and instance. Okay. And also, sorry, I forgot this one. We will need to I'll tab select one of this reference line and click on this one. So this will be the width of that column. So let me just create a parameter. Let's call it column width instance. Okay, so let's see if I can control the profile from here. So 100, yeah, good. So maybe 450, apply, yeah, good. So now before I load this profile into the column in the beam family, so we need to select these reference lines and uncheck the ref here. Okay, so make it model line so it will be visible. Now load this into which one? Family 14. Okay, so load this into family 14, and let's have a look. So if I looks like and that's fine. So see, if I place it on this reference line, so that's exactly what we need. But if I place it here, it goes that direction, that's still fine. So we can just pick the adaptive point here and type in 90 degree, maybe negative 90 degrees. So yeah, now they are all good. So now what I need to do is, so select this, so tab select this family. So here we have two parameters. So I'm going to create a new parameter for the depth. Okay, so for example, I'll call this I'll call it CD. Actually, I'll call this CD3 because this will be one point, adaptive point 1, 2, and 3. So I'll call this CD3 and OK. And also for CW, I'm going to just, because all the width will be the same, I'll just create the parameter called CW. So now this one's done. I'll just click on this point and then move it, typing 1, so it will move to this end. So for this one, the same, tab select this family, and I'll just link this width to CW, and CD, I'm going to create a new one. This one will be CD1 instance. OK and OK. So now we need one here. Okay, so and this profile will look like this. So it's angled. So this one's vertical, this one's horizontal, and this one will be angled. Okay, so to make angled, we will need some extra steps. So hang on, let me just finish this one. So I'll click on this click on this point and move it. Where's my point? So click on this point, no, tab. Hang on, let me just try to, you just need to click on that point. Yeah, this one. So if so you will see that you can control this and typing 0 go down. Okay, so now we need the last one here, angled. So what I'm going to do is place one point, draw on face, one point here and one point here, and then I'll select these two spline reference line. So now if I create a new profile here, so you will see if I just place it in the middle, and it actually goes to the opposite direction. That's fine. I'll just select this point, try to tab select this point, and then you will have this rotation angle typing 180. Okay, so now what we need to do is just select this point and change the measurement type to segment length. I'll typing 1, so it will close to this point 2, and also this one, and change that to segment length, and this one change it from beginning to end and typing 1 as well. So which means this line will be very little in the corner, so almost on this point 2. Okay, so now we have this profile here. So we just need to select this profile and the width. I'll link that to CW and CD2. So we need to create a CD2 instance. OK and OK. So now we have 3 profiles. Just need to select this profile and tab select this profile, create form, and another one here, tab, and tab, control select, and create profile. Okay, so now if I go to family types, so see all the CD1, 2, 3. So for example, CD1 is this one, change it to 200. CD2 is this one, I'll make it maybe 900. CD3, maybe I'll make 300. So you will see you can change the shape of this. Okay, so Now, and of course, you can select this to geometry to solid and create a material parameter. Okay, I'll call it a frame, maybe frame material, and also type. I'll just use instance as well. So now we finished one of this structure, and then we can load this into here. So it will be 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then when you place the second one, it's I'll recommend just temporarily hide that one. Okay, so now let's do the rest. I'll try the Alt key. Okay, Alt, create C, and family FA. So 1, 2, 3. Temporary hide HH, Alt CFA. 1, 2, 3. 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 HH, Alt CFA. I think this is the last one. So now HR. Yep, so that's all. And let's have a test. So if I change the height for maybe 6 meter, yeah, change the size 6 meter as well, yeah, change the pitch to 5 degree. Yeah, that's it. And also we will need to select all of these structure, and then we're going to link all these. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new CW for the column width. I'll use instance, and CD1. I'll just create a CD1 instance. Okay, so CD2, create CD2 instance. Okay, and okay, and create a CD3 instance. Okay, and okay. So now the next step, we're going to create this panel. Okay, so this will be, actually let me just do this one first. So there will be some beams around this shape. So we just need to find the profile because it's a shared family, so we can find it here. So I guess that's family 15. I'll just drag this out so you will see that, and place on face, and I'll just place it on this, and then select this point, and I'll rotate it by 90 degrees. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, we just need to link this. So CW, I'm going to use the same as that one, so link this to CW, and CD, I'm going to use the same CD as this one, so which is CD3 and CD3, and okay, and then select this profile together with all these reference lines, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and create form. So now we have this top frame, right? So it will follow the, so for example CD3, so if I change the CD3, so for 400 it will also change to match this depth. So let me show you. Yeah, okay, so good. So now the last step, we're going to create a shape of this. Okay, so this will be another, because you can do it here, but it's easier to just create a family, so adaptive family, and place it here. So new family, generic model adaptive. Okay, so go to floor plan, so I'll just place 1 point, maybe 2 point and 3 point. Okay, so select done, make adaptive, and spline, reference line, spline, reference line, and spline, reference line. Okay, so we just go to 3D view, select this profile, create form, solid. Okay, so now we just need to adjust the thickness. Maybe I'll change it to 200 here. So okay, and maybe we can create a parameter. So let's call it maybe roof material. So I'll just use instance as well. So okay and okay, and 200. I'll just create a parameter. So for the depth, for the thickness, I'll call it just call it thickness. Okay and okay. So now I think that's it, and let's load this into the family and place it. So before I place this, I'll just temporarily hide everything. Okay, so HH, SA, HH. So it will be placed on 1, 2, 3, 3 points. So let's do it. So create component, and instead of place a point, let me just use SE tab here. Hang on, which one? This one, SE here, and SE tab here. Okay, so SE tab. Oh, here actually I need to pick this point. Anyway, maybe I'll pick this point. Okay, SE tab here, SE tab here, and SE here. Looks like yeah, depending on how you maybe want you do it clockwise or so count clockwise and will be different result, but it's okay. You can just pick one and flip it. Okay, will be the same, so don't worry too much. So let's continue. Create component. Our SE here, maybe here, SE tab here, and SE tab here. SE here, SE tab here, and SE tab, or maybe this one, tab here. SE tab here, and SE tab here, and SE tab here. SE tab, maybe here, SE tab, SE tab here. SE tab, SE tab, SE tab here. Last one, SE was there. Here, SE here, SE here. Okay, so now we just need to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flip them, so it will go down. So SHR. So now it's finished. So let's just have a quick flex. So if I change the width, where do I width? So to nanometers. Let's see. Yep, all good. So and then now we can select all of them. And so first one is material. We just need to link this material. So I'll call it roof material instance. Okay, thickness. I'll just create a roof thickness. Okay, and for each one, so you can click on one, so and you can click this to create a parameter. So let's call it VS1. Okay. Sorry, my head just. Okay, so sorry about that. So instance, okay, and okay. So this one, This will be visibility BS2 instance. Okay, click this one. Create BS3 instance. Okay, this one. Click BS4 instance. Okay, this one. Create BS5 instance. Okay. So BS6 instance. Okay. VS7 instance. Okay. And a VS8 instance. Okay. So now that should be it. Before that, let me just so see this with profile SA. I'll just probably this is the only one. I'll just make it invisible. Okay, so that's it. So now let's have a look. Create a project. Architecture, and click and load this into here. And let's go 3D view. So first, all the panels here. Yeah. So depending on what pattern you want it to be, so you can just on and off, turn them on and off, and then let's have a look of all these parameters. So okay, so first 4 degree, make it 10 degree. Yep, so this will change the roof pitch, and width 6 meter. Yep, height 5 meter. Yep, good. So CD1, so which is here, CD1 300, CD2 is here 700, CD3 is here, and also this maybe 250. Yeah, and CW 75. Yeah, so I think that's it. 100, the panel. Yeah. Good. So that's it. And then you can just copy and paste and adjust the pattern, and so that you will get that structure. Okay, so that's it. I'll upload this family for you to have a look. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.